In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get a YouTube API key from GCP. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to open up your console.cloud.google.com and then log into your organization. Once you're inside of your organization, it should be looking something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to the search bar up here, and then from here you'll simply need to click YouTube API. Like so, and as you can see here, there's something called YouTube Data API v3, or maybe it's gonna be named v4, etc. in the future. But from here, you'll simply need to click on this, and from here, once it's done loading, it should be looking something like this, where you'll be able to enable the API right here. And once you click enable, it will take a couple minutes to a couple seconds to enable, and from here, once it's done that, it should be looking something similar to this right here. Now from here, if you want to get the API key for the YouTube data right here, then from here you'll need to go up to create credentials up here in the right hand corner, and once you click on that, it should look something like this, where you'll need to select the API of YouTube Data API and choose between the user data or public data. From here, once you can do that, you'll simply need to click next, and from here you'll need to go in to get your OAuth consent screen app, where you'll need to enter in your app name, your user support email, logo for the upload, and an email address for the contact developer information. Once from here, you'll simply need to click save and continue, and just fill in all of the scopes, the OAuth client ID, and lastly, you will get your credentials for the YouTube API. Once from here, you will simply be able to copy it, and you'll also be able to see it inside of the credentials tab in here, where it will be visible inside of the API right there. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!